What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Sticks back at it again with another video. Like I was telling you guys, I gotta get my brakes, serviced, and so that's where we're actually heading right now. I have an appointment for 10 in the morning, but it looks like we're gonna get there a little late. This shop that I'm going to today, I've never been there before, so we're gonna go check it out. Hopefully they do their thing. They do, my boy A-Man told me about them, so I'm gonna be taking the car there and getting my brakes checked, and I'll probably ask them a couple questions. So I might just take you guys along with me on this little drive. If you guys enjoyed, don't forget to subscribe, like the video. I'm actually on my work break right now. Hopefully this doesn't take that long and I can make it in time. The car's pretty warm already though, so I just put it in, sport transmission or whatever that is. Finally getting these brakes done though. It's been a minute, bro. My car been telling me I need a brake change. Not brakes like my rotors and pads, because I did that already. It's my brake fluid. I don't know if it's saying that because I was missing some, but I'm gonna just get that serviced. That way we can get rid of that message. Oh, sorry guys, I have the engine light again. I know I told you guys I was gonna turn it off, but I haven't had a chance. Following this Honda right now. Hey, he out. We on them though. It's like two cars. That red car, and there's a gray one on top in front of that one going crazy. They out right now. Yeah. Come on, keep up, buds. We're only gonna be like 10 minutes late, so that's not too bad, you know what I'm saying? This car next to me needs to move, bro. See what I tell you guys about, like having the car in sport on the highways? Like you can't really hear the pops through town, yeah, but like on the highways, you can't really hear it that much. And this shit weighs mad gas. It's fun to drive in sport, don't get me wrong, but it just wastes so much gas, guys. Like I have 140. If I keep it like this, I'll probably have like 120, bro, and I'm only like 5 miles away. This Lexus, I'm on this Lexus ass right now. What's up? Smells like mad gas out there. I gotta do a transmission tune. that was fun. A little cutting up for you guys. I know I don't do too much of that. So this Lexus, you know, wanted to go, so I just kind of, I went with it. It was cool. Put my car back in comfort, bro. And just kind of chill, because we're almost there. I'm not gonna lie, the pops through here probably sound crazy. Oh, this is nice roads to be driving on, I'm not gonna lie. This is kind of far though. It's like nice and curvy, it's not too much curves and stuff, but yeah, this is nice over here. It's a nice area. Nice houses too. I'm guessing this is where all the rich folks be at. This is nice roads though. I'm gonna have to come over here and do some videos. Drive around like these. I like curvy roads like this. It's fun. You can really see how the car handles and whatnot. I told you guys, look, that shit went down 20 miles just from that, you know, cutting up that I did there. And it's gonna go down even more if I keep it at sport, but we're almost there, so it's alright, whatever. Is that guy about a Mac? Like, what's he doing, bro? Alright, let's go talk to them, see what's up. What's good? Yeah, it's got the, yeah. What's good? How long do you think?
I don't know, we're pretty packed right now. I could like update you through text.
Oh, so I will have to like leave the car and come back later.
Oh, you want to get it? You want to wait for it?
I mean, yeah, I didn't think it was gonna be too long.
We just have to see when we can get a car off the road.
Alright, alright.
Put your car. Yeah. So those two lifts are occupied right now.
Uh-huh.
That lift, we're doing oil change. So
Yeah.
oil change, then we're getting the car on.
Okay.
So it should be done in like, I say 45 minutes.
45, yeah, that's fine. I'll just probably go get something to eat and then come back. Yeah, sounds good. Alright, so you want me to leave the car here or? Yeah, it's in the car.
Okay.
I'll give it to you though. Alright. Alright. Alright, you guys, so just got the car back. Everything's feel good. Pretty much gonna head home now and then pretty much call it a day because I gotta go to work in a few. So if you guys enjoyed this video, I know I did a little bit of cutting up on the way here. So if you guys enjoy, make sure you go down below, subscribe to the channel, and like the video, of course, and comment below any other videos you guys want to see. But like I told you guys, it's a beautiful day, man, this whole week. So expect a lot of videos from me, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.